In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Vercel step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have access to both your GoDaddy account and your Vercel account, as we'll be navigating through both platforms. Let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're on the home page, locate the profile icon, which you can usually find in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select My Products. This will take you to a page displaying all of your GoDaddy products, including the domains you've purchased. Next, scroll down to the domain name section. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of domains under your account. To proceed, click on Manage All, which allows you to access detailed settings for all your domains. At this point, identify the domain you wish to connect to Vercel. Click on it to reveal more information and copy the URL of your chosen domain. This URL will be essential when connecting to Vercel. After you've copied the URL, it's time to switch over to Vercel, log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where all your projects are listed. Select the project to which you want to connect your GoDaddy domain. This step is crucial because a domain can't point to multiple projects at once, so ensure you're linking it to the right one. Within your project settings on Vercel, find the domain option. Click on it. This will direct you to a page specifically for domain management within your project. Once you're there, look for the Edit button, which allows you to make changes to your current domain settings. Click on this button, and you'll see a field where you can input your domain. Now, paste the domain URL you copied earlier from GoDaddy into this field. Ensure that there are no unnecessary spaces before or after the URL to prevent errors when Vercel tries to establish a connection with your domain. After pasting your domain, the final step is to hit Save. This action will push the changes live, thereby connecting your GoDaddy domain to your Vercel project, and that's it. Give the changes some time to propagate, which may take up to 24 hours depending on your DNS settings. During this period, it's not uncommon for changes to take a while to reflect, so a little patience goes a long way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on utilizing technology effectively. Have a great day.